What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Chanel, and we're tuning into another eyeshadow tutorial. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel because it's getting lit. The family is getting bigger and bigger. Let's go. Ready? So now we're going into the Morphe palette, and I'm going to use them purples right over there, okay, and really get into these purples. I have a P. Louise base on my eyelids, of course. P. Louise is the best. So I'm just going to show y'all how I blend that in, you know what I'm saying, and really incorporate these colors together because, baby, I'm going to come through with the looks all the time for my friends, okay? So after I'm playing, dabbing, because, you know, I love to play in makeup. Like, playing in makeup, I think that's going to be the title because, girl, I love to play in makeup, especially eyeshadows, okay? So I'm using an Amazon brush. You know, we in my living room or whatever. I had to turn the AC up because it was hot in there, okay? So I'm using this Amazon brush. There's no names on it. I just got a whole bunch of them from Amazon because who want to wash out these brushes? Not me. No. So I'm just really packing that purple shade on. Remember, you always want to go from the darkest shade to the lightest. And yeah, really packing that color on because, baby, we want the colors to come out on this dark skin chocolate melody. You know, like, after we incorporated all of them colors, like, it wasn't given for me, so I had to, you know, like, intensify it using some black from my Amazon regular eyeshadow palette to really intensify that purple. So when we cut that crease, baby, you gonna see that deep dark shade. You get what I'm saying? And it's okay to go in with black if you want, you know what I'm saying? It's okay to make it darker. So that's what I did. Don't mind my face. When I'm doing this, y'all, I like to be real focused. You know what I'm saying? I don't got time to be smiling. Hey, y'all. Hey. No. I got to be focused on the look, or the look is not going to be looking. Y'all, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel because my name is Chanel. Oh, that's kind of catchy, right? Y'all like that? No, I know. Okay, y'all, so another thing with blending that I want to let y'all know is, like, all right, so you see the purple right there. You make sure and you put the color like half off the color and half on your skin, like, if that makes any sense. So half of that pink shades goes on that purple and half goes off on my skin, like, because there's no color there, obviously. So I learned that from girl, I think it was P. Louise. Somebody said that, girl, and I was like, oh, for real? Okay, all right, boom, I'm doing it, and it looked good. It was alright, you know, it was alright. I just had trouble, like, kind of blending it in, as you can see, because mind you, this was my first kind of time using this P. Louise eyeshadow, and I think I bought the light a lighter shade, too light for my skin complexion, so blending it out was kind of hard. So it was blending out, it was fading in, and then I was trying to put the color back in. Don't forget to go back in and reinforce it, girl. You gotta reinforce it, because if you don't reinforce, sorry, so if you don't reinforce it, is not gonna be as pigmented as you want it to be, especially on our colors. So boom, this is not P. Louise. This is an Amazon brand that I wanted to tell y'all about. My white eyeshadow base is the actual real P. Louise that I bought from Amazon because your girl was on a little budget. I wanted to get the P. Louise, but I wanted to get the colors too, and I couldn't get everything. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't get everything, but I wanted everything, but I couldn't get it. So I had to budget and be smart. You know what I'm saying? Let's go and do it all. We gotta do it all because we gotta do it all. I'm over here saying it was from Amazon. It was from Morphe, you guys. It was from Morphe, the P. Louise eyeshadow base. And the other one that I just showed you, that's from Amazon. And it was like pigmented. The colors was popping. It was what? $10 for 3 colors. Green, pink, and blue, y'all. Get y'all a nice dupe for the P. Louise. You know, I don't know. It's not other colors than those 3 colors. But shit. That's a good start off kit. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm doing now. Oh yeah, I'm cutting that crease. Oh yeah, y'all. Let me. You see, I'm doing too much already. So boom, I did not have no wipes. So I, kind of put some Vaseline on my brush and I just cut that crease like that. Wipe that off. Learned another trick from P. Louise on Instagram. You feel what I'm saying? You don't gotta pay for that class. You could just watch her on Instagram and watch a couple videos. Boom, now you P. Louise in it. You know what I'm saying? Cut that crease, girl. Yeah. And then you smack that color on and it came out real nice, y'all. Like, if y'all know me, y'all know this is like my 3rd, 4th time doing this. Your girl is learning and it's coming out good. Okay, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch the video because I feel like I'm talking too much. Like, tell me if I'm talking too much in the comments. Like, am I doing too much? Do y'all want to hear me? Because I know my voice is annoying to me. Like, when I play it back, it be mad annoying. But yeah, watch me cut this crease. You know, I wanted to give it a little wing going all the way to the side next to my baby hairs or whatever. Because you know my baby hairs stay fleeky. Yeah. All right, so continue to watch. The rest is like self-explanatory. Thanks, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And the video not over, so keep watching. Okay, China gang, look, I'm cutting it again with the Vaseline, regular Vaseline we grease our skin with. This is the Vaseline that we gonna cut this crease with. You feel what I'm saying? Like, so, boom. After we smack that on, I think I'm using an angle brush. I can't even, yeah. I'm using an angle brush. I think this Wet n Wild from Amazon. Y'all know that's my favorite store in the whole wide world. Like,
It's empire. It's empire. It's empire. It's empire. It's empire. It's empire. She came with her nigga, but she gon' slide right to my side. I know she pulled up with her friends, then we skirt off in the bands. Oh, took her back to my crib. Todd, can you play that again? Came with her, came with her. She came with her, with her. She gon' slide right to my side. I know. Put her legs in the sky whenever I pull up those stuff. Pull up those stuff. Pull up those stuff. Pull up those stuff. Waste no dick. Jealous, the city is my palace.
So I'm looking for a color to put over it, and I found that one that match best with the eyeshadow. I mean the eye primer. And you always want to put a powder on top of any cream base that you use, you guys. Any cream base, you want to put a powder, either the exact same color or a translucent powder to set it.
She gon' slide right to my side. I know she pulled up with her friends. Then we skirt off.
Here go that face again, y'all. Y'all know I love to make it. There you go.
Trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Now everybody now. 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning.
So now I'm just cleaning it up with the darker purple. I'm just putting that any little imperfections that I see, little mess up with the cut crease. I'm just trying to add some eyeshadow back there, or I'm gonna go in with the same base to fix it up a little bit. And now I'm going in with my black eyeliner. I don't know why I did this. I should have used blue, right? But I used this black eyeliner and I just messed it up. That's why I was doing it. I put the glitters because, girl, that black liner was not straight. And y'all gonna see what I'm talking about in a minute.
With the dread, come on.
So now I'm going in with my diamonds I got from Amazon. I said glitter in the last clip, but I mean diamonds, y'all. Diamonds. You know what I'm saying? Because diamonds are a girl's best friend, baby. So yeah, I'm sticking that on. That's gonna take like 20 minutes. So I'm cutting little clips out of that. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you want to see the finishing look, please tune into my foundation routine because I deleted the clip and I couldn't find it to put in this video. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel.